Hey you guys, so a lot has been going on. If you are a business owner, you need to go ahead and download and pay for ChatGPT and also Claude. Of course, there's a lot of conversation going around saying that the things that you're asking are being made public. I don't care because I'm not trying to kill anybody or poison anyone, okay? You've been hearing my boyfriend in the background because every time I move to the left, I move to the right, the lighting on my camera has been switching, and I'm like, I don't have the time for the mechanicals. And so I haven't been able to set my camera. I just want to tell you, last year, this camera was an upgrade. This is the Canon R6 Mark II. Okay, I want to tell you now, this camera was like $2,600. Don't remind me. I did not know how to set it. Not only that, my Sigma lens was another like $700. You see the material. You see the material. I could not work it. So my sweet fiance was standing behind the camera, and if I went like this, he had to hurry up and press the focus for the lighting, which if I went like this, he had to press the focus. I couldn't bend, I couldn't do anything. As you notice, he's not here, and my camera's not doing anything, and I'm able to move. Right? ChatGPT, is there any way possible you could teach me how to set my camera? It took me 2 hours. It took me 2 hours, but I figured it out. Number two, when it comes to Claude, I also went into Claude and I'm like, hey, I'm a content creator. Please go ahead and do a Google search for Style by Casanova YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and show me how to better form and set my content. Maybe the ideas. Listen, I always said, and gosh, don't be mad at me. It's just a saying, okay? The reason why you're broke is because you're lazy. Please don't get mad at me. I say it to myself. I'm like, the reason why you broke is because you lazy. Get up. And so being able to have these things have so helped me to like take these 2 days to record, and then I take what chat told me, I put it into Claude put it into my calendar. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, alarms are going off. This is not an ad. I'm just telling you, it's still not perfect, but life has gotten so much easier. With that being said, okay, I have been trying to revamp my blog since last year. I did not want it to go this long without me having it, because I do feel like with the amount of work that I'm doing, sometimes a YouTube video just isn't enough. Sometimes you actually need to see the numbers, the pages, the outline, like in long form. I mean, longer than YouTube. Like YouTube is the video side, but sometimes for some people you need the actual written content. And so I did not want my blog to go this long, and I have just literally had blogs sitting in my email, and finally I was like, you know what, whatever. So I do the blog, I put it inside of Claude, I asked them to proofread it, make corrections, pretty much be my editor. Baby, I think now I'm paying, I think it's like $25 a month or something. Don't make me lie. I don't know exactly how much it is, but everything is on a monthly thing. And I don't mind paying those things monthly, but I wanted to share that I currently have a blog out. It is a welcome back letter, basically explaining everything. Not everything, because you know, I don't know you like that. Let me tell you my business. Pretty much just sharing like the things that have been like going on or whatever. And so I do want to share long form measurements for the closet, so if you're interested, you know what to buy. I still have to record a video here, and so I do want to go into Home Depot to show you like all the trim details, because y'all be asking like, where do you buy the trim? Home Depot, Lowe's. Like, but anyway, blog is up. I'm gonna well, shoot, by the time you guys see this video, the other video will not have come out, but let me just give you a little. We did build the platform upstairs. The video isn't out, y'all, but I'm gonna sneak upstairs. Why am I whispering? Why you whispering, girl? You in your house. I'm gonna go upstairs and show y'all upstairs with the new carpet. Oh my gosh. Baby, it ain't the carpet, it's the color. I am my father's child when it comes to the visual aesthetic. When it comes to the visuals, I am my father, okay? With that being said, before I start the video, because I did like a try on haul, I also shared some stuff that I got for my birthday, and I'm gonna leave the links for everything. I even uploaded them, I like to know. Y'all gonna be proud of me. I'm trying to do this whole influencer thing. You know what I'm saying? Listen, it's hard out here. Trying to run every platform, trying to upload, I don't want to continuously come on here and push products to y'all. I really don't. But I know y'all be asking, like, where's the pajamas from? Where's the shoes from? Where's this from? And I just don't shop the way everybody else shop. I really try to find what I like, what I want, and I buy it. So I went to like the Real. I went to Victoria's Secret. I do consignment. Here and there, I'll go to like Nordstrom Rack. So I don't always have a link, but I'm trying to do my best to help y'all out. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. And then I have to do my hair, y'all, because I washed my my hair yesterday. So it's curls. It's reverting. So I have to flat iron and get it, you know, heat protecting, all that stuff, so I can prepare for the week to do my my reels. And I'm on TikTok, y'all. I've been working. Y'all was like, why you don't get on TikTok? Instagram is asking me to get on TikTok. Y'all asking me to upload more. And I'm trying to post shorts on YouTube. If you want to be a content creator, just understand, like, this shit is not for the weak. But let's go upstairs. This is not for the weak. I want y'all to see. Look at this, y'all. My light ain't changing. My light ain't changing. Yeah. You guys, yeah. I got the camera setting right. So I'm upstairs. I'm going to move out the way. If anybody asks, y'all didn't see this, but I got a whole video coming out to tell y'all what's going on and what happened. But if anybody asks, y'all didn't see it, because if I get in trouble, I'm gonna edit it out. But no. Isn't it so right? Y'all, I don't even think y'all understand how beautiful. Anyway, we ain't gonna talk too much about it, because I have a whole video coming out to give you full details. I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble for letting y'all get a little sneak peek, but it's been a really long time since I've treated myself to Victoria's Secret. Today is the day, and I'm gonna be trying everything on. They said if you like it, buy it twice. I bought it twice. I absolutely love it in the plum, but then I ended up grabbing it also in black, and again, it was 60% off. Highly recommend going in store. I don't know if these items are online. I'll do my best to find them.
Put it back up again, babe, so they can see how see-through it is. Oh yeah,
mm-hmm. He say it's see-through. Mm-hmm. Can you see through?
Nah, not on camera.
But can you see through standing here?
No.
Okay.
Come closer to me though.
Okay.
Nah, it's actually not see-through.
Okay. That this dress was see-through. So the one I'm wearing is see-through too.
Yeah, I just can't see nothing.
Lights on, I guess the move's on, and I am digging this thing, digging on you, digging on me, baby, ooh, it's all like that. You guys, pink, you cannot go wrong. I absolutely love this. It's
I like it too.
I gotta be in love with something. Oh, digging on you, digging on me, baby. But this green is everything. Like, I absolutely love it. And this robe is everything too. I'm gonna link where you can get it, if it's still available. I don't know, because she only made a handful. But absolutely positively love this. It has a cute little detail here. It has a cute little detail here. I did purchase two, so I'm currently wearing one, and then I got it in this color. And then I also have the top, which this one actually looks a lot nicer with the robe. Okay, so I normally don't do Victoria's Secret bras, but this was like $12 or $15, and so I grabbed it. So the bra is everything, but the pajama, and yes, it's a pajama, but I'm guessing if you want to wear it outside, that's your business. But this was only $30. I think you guys are gonna love it. I absolutely Love this, and I did get it in 2 colors. The only reason why I'm gonna try on the other one is because I got another bra that I want you guys to see, and it's crazy because I truly feel like I feel my sexiest when I'm covered, which is like so weird because when I was younger, baby, you couldn't tell me to have on no shorts. You could not. Shorts, everything. But now that I'm getting older, there's just something so like about just like being covered and leaving a little bit of mystery to the eye, even though my whole tatas is out. I can't see that, okay? All right, so you just shook your head.
I'm just loving it. I'm shaking my head like, wow.
Okay. This is the black one. I don't know, like it must have been meant to be because literally I haven't purchased lingerie in like 2 years. I still have a lot, but I haven't purchased in like 2 years. And so when I went, everything totaling out came to like $280, like right around $300. And it was just such a good buy. So like this is the same as, and let me step back because y'all need to see like this is a full on cover situation. I'm about to do something. And this is literally for the purposes of being educational. So, understand this will probably never happen again. It might, just depends. Let's see if Victoria's Secret reaches out. So, I like Victoria's Secret's bras because here and there when I do want to go out and I want to be a little bad girly, I go with their like super wonder bra, pusher bra. It actually gives you about 2 cup sizes. So all of the padding is like pretty much here. My bum bums are not that big, okay? But with the push up, I'm able to like put on a dress, put on whatever, and just like really, you know, accentuate the girls and stuff. So this is just for purposes of just sharing the content. It's really soft, it's really nice. Wash cold, do not dry. Wash it, hang it up in your shower, get you a hanger, that way it can air dry. Do not put it in the dryer. That way the wire underneath does not come out or get any sort of damage. You can still have the wiring, which is what's really giving you the full support. But geez, this is the same as the dress. So I can wear the dress with that too.
Okay.
Yeah, so you see that?
I'm seeing it.
Let me just share that again. It's the same dress. I didn't want to try the black one on because I felt like it was going to be a little like see-through. And this is see-through too. You see? Same
Okay.
material.
It's an illusion. Good stuff.
Yeah, but I'll try my best to link everything. The problem is I went in store. And so they had a lot more in the clearance rack. So I love me some Victoria's Secret. I just cannot always get it because by the time I pick up 2 or 3 things, you already know. We're at $300. So to be at $300 and I picked up 1, 2,
about 8 things.
3, 4, 5. I literally picked up. Oh, hold on. They also gave me this as like a free thing for spending.
What's in that?
Huh? I'm guessing like you could put a little chain on this thing right here and do a little little clutch.
Okay.
But
this is cute.
Yeah. So you just do like that if you want to just go out. Oh, look at that. Put my feelings in there.
You got some big feelings. Let's not even go there.
No, that man said you got too much feelings. They can't fit. It's too much. It's too hard. It's too tight. I gotta like this cozy. I gotta let you go. If y'all can see this man smiling behind this camera, he waiting for this camera to go off so he could ravish me.
Waiting.